Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a pack of 20 enemy battlers and sprites with 10 backgrounds by Soft and Komodo, a pack of 18 fantasy characters and sprites by Yutaro Suyuki and Gotcha Games. Next we have an official event by Gotcha Games called the RPG Maker Memorial Service 2021. In this event, we share about our dead games. So these are games that were completed but got no feedback or review or attention, or games we stopped working on because we lost motivation. So we share our dead game on this Discord thread and make a memorial of it. And Gotcha Games may take some of them and share them on their social media. Next we have 2 music packs with 10 8-bit tracks by Destiny Knight. A music pack of 27 modern tracks by Ayato Soundcrate and Komodo. An MV plugin by Soul Render that extends the text field for typing longer damage formulas. An MZ plugin by Noon that changes the item drop rate to a percentage. World of Solaria Blacksmith themed Tilesets by Jamie Brownhill. And lastly, a video by Toasty Time on the most based RPG Maker game, and a commentary on what makes an RPG Maker game shine from games made in other engines. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.